Hi friends, I am Rakesh Kumar and today I am going to talk about how to do sentiment analysis using machine learning algorithm in Microsoft Excel 2016. So, alright, to do machine learning analysis in Microsoft Excel, I'll have to add an add-in which is Microsoft Azure Machine Learning. Since I have recently accessed this is already there in my recent tab. However, if you are new to it, you can just go to store tab and add it from there. So it is just taking a while. Cool. Now you can type Azure here in search box and click here. You will see that Azure machine learning algorithm will appear. You just need to click on add. As you click on add, this will just come up here. Alright, this is being set up. Alright, so add-in is just set up. Well, since I need to do text sentiment analysis, I'll just click on this button. Well, to do text sentiment analysis, I need some data. Let me just try clicking on sample data. Oh, nothing is there. It's just blank. No worry. I'll just get the data from here. There's a website called kaggle.com wherein the sample data has been given for sentiment analysis. The link for this site is given below in video description. You can access that from there. I'll just click on the download button. Alright, so my whole data is here. I'll just select it, copy it and paste it here in this first row. Okay, it's taking little time. Fine, so data is here. Now I just need to clean this data a bit, and to do that I'll just go to data tab, click on text to column button. I'll keep it fixed width. I'll keep this arrow mark here, next, and finish. Okay, so my data is just here. I'll cut it and paste it here, and I'll delete these two columns. I just don't need that. I'll drag it till here. Fair enough. Now what I want is, I want that the analysis of the sentiment should come here in these two columns. Okay, so fine. First of all, I'll select the inputs, that is this. Okay, I'll click on OK button, and then I'll select the output range. So I basically want my data to be there in B1, so I'll select it B1. Fair enough. Fine. Now I'll just click on predict button, and the result is being computed. Just wait for a while, it'll just come up. Alright, so my data is here. Well, now you can see it yourself. You look at this sentiment comment wherein the line is just ending with just awesome and it is being quoted as positive. Here you see some subjective kind of the comments wherein it is just saying neutral, neither bad nor good. Okay, you can see the score also. Alright, so here it is. There is a negative campaign, sentiment. Why is it so? Because you can see here it has been written that I want now, but now I want something better and different. That means this user did not like the product. So similarly, you can see this is basically about book. So you can see it's a pretty good book. So that means it's a positive, and it has got 0.883 as a score. So as you can see, this sentiment analysis is just done in minutes for whole 7087 lines, and this is very powerful method to compute the sentiment analysis quickly. Thank you guys for your time. Please do watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel if you really like it, and if you want to receive more such sort of videos on machine learning, data analysis, presentation and all. So a lot of things are coming on the way. Please subscribe and give your feedbacks. Thank you.